Just heat up the wok until it's smoking hot. Put in about 3 tablespoons of oil. Put all our fresh okay. Fry until both sides is a bit brown. And once we can get some brownness, take it out, drain off the oil. Grab up all the tofu that stick to the wok. Remove some of the oil. We don't need so much. Okay, turn back the heat. Slowly fry the roast pork. Then under low fire until they are a bit brown also. Now once the roast pork is quite fluffy, you can smell it. Now put in the garlic. Still under low fire. We fry until they are fragrant. No need to be brown. Okay, once you can smell the garlic, put in the stock of the chive, turn to higher fire. Okay, fry until you can smell the fragrance from the Chinese chive. Now, when you can smell it, put in all the rest of the chive and then cook the oil first. Okay, off the fire first so it's better control. Put in about 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix them. Okay, put in your tofu also so they are getting the taste from it. Now once they are well cooked ready, turn back the fire to the highest. Add in about 2 tablespoons of water.